Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. How are you feeling today?
Yeah, I'm feeling very well. Thank you for asking. And how have you been? After a long time, we are meeting each other.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you, Tori. Thank you for kind concern, and everything is going on well, better than ever.
Yes. And as far as I remember, you are from UAE. Yeah, UAE.
Exactly. UAE,
Oh yeah.
United Arab Emirates.
Yes. And what is the time right now over there?
Mm, Time is 11 to 1.5 hours is the difference between India and UAE time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just 1.5 hour.
Yes. And sir, how long have you been living over there?
I have been living here more than 4 years.
Four years.
Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
4 years.
Yes. I know about yourself. But first of all, please say something about yourself for my viewers.
Okay, as you know, my name is Miraz. I am from Bihar, and right now I am living in UAE. As far as my qualifications, so I have already mentioned everything. Last video I have already mentioned each and everything, and yeah, it's all about me. Can you
Yes.
please say something about you? Because I know everything about you, and there is no required to say anything to you. But you want to say, so go ahead.
Yes, I am Santanu Das in front of you, and I am from West Bengal. By professional, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant, and I have been working over there more than 10 years. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football, but nowadays I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. And only I want to become a good English speaker. That's why also I am using this platform. And every single day, whenever I get free time, I always make this kind of video. Thanks, sir.
That is the Wow, great, great, amazing thing. So, as you know, as you mentioned, you work as in hospital as well. You have a one channel on YouTube. I know that, and you always ready to roll up your sleeve to learn the new thing. That is the great and motivational thing because those people who knows about this, they always pretending. They always say like that. I don't have a time. They procrastinate. So you are a good perfect example for those people who want to learn this language because you had a lot of on your plate as well. You are learning and as well you are try to learn new thing as well. That is the great thing. Okay, so how many hours do you expand for learning purpose?
Yes, actually, whenever I get free time, I always try to make this kind of video, and maybe I always make this kind of video two or three when I get free time. But if I don't get free time at that day, I don't make this kind of video. Maybe around one hour. Yeah, I spend the time for learning this language every single day.
Oh wow, amazing. Okay, so tell me three things which are very important for learning. Can you please explain? Can you please elaborate three things which
Yes.
is very important for learning?
Yes, yes. According to me, listening and speaking both are very important. Yeah, number one is listening, and number two is speaking. Both are very important for learning this language. And if I say the another thing, thinking is the most important part for learning this language. And always you have to think how did you learn your native language. Always by listening and by speaking. That's why listening and speaking is very important. I noticed that in our country, in our locality, there are so many students. They are good at English subject. They know very well English grammar. They can read properly. There is no problem in reading. They can write properly. There is no problem in writing. But they can also understand properly. And they told one of my friends. He told me, bro, while watching any English content, I can understand 90%, but when it comes about speaking, at that time I get stuck, I feel nervous. But according to me, for learning this language, always you have to follow four rules: LSRW: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. But the main part is listening and speaking. Yeah, according to me.
Okay, it's great. Yeah, you feel like okay. So as you mentioned, thinking is very important, vital role for learning this language. I agree with you, but you know that our surrounded is not well. We are surrounded is mostly, I think, 99.9% people they who lives in surrounded they speaks only our native language, our local language. You can
Yes,
say like that. So could you think? How could you brush up your language? How could you improve? How could you use feel like that? Yeah, I am other one. I'm not traveling on the same boat. So that is the very obstacle. That is the very tough challenge. It's you can say like that. It is the very tough and very Hercules task. So how to get rid of your native language, your local language, and you learn new thing. That is the very challenging thing. So is there any particular any method, any particular rule regulation that you can learn this language, that you can think only for the English,
yes,
any language, or any language, so any
yes,
language.
yes, yes. I am sharing one of the topic for thinking English. Thinking English is very difficult at the beginning time. It is so difficult, but by practicing you can think in English. But according to me, always wherever you will go and whatever you will see, always you have to think in English. Suppose yeah, you are right now, you are on the bus stop. Yeah, you are right now at the bus stop, and always you have to think what kind of activities, what kind of activities are is happening in your site. Always you have to think. Suppose a bus is coming, and few of the person they are running for catching the bus, and few of the hawker they are selling something. Yeah, always, yeah, first of all you always you have to find out the what is the verb. Yeah, and driving and running and selling, this type. After that also always you have to new noun, and the bus and luggage or shop. Yeah, after that also always you have to make a sentence. Yeah, at the beginning time it is so difficult. And suppose the bus driver is driving the bus, and after that also always you have to add the adverb. The driver is driving the bus very fastly. Yeah, in this way also you can add. But first time it is so difficult, but I follow these rules. Wherever I go, I always try to make this kind of method. Yeah.
Exactly, absolutely. But you know, so moral of the story is like that. Band over backwards means is the action speak louder than words. No pain, no gain. Don't say like that. I don't. I am. I try to. I have already effort. I'm a 100%, but I couldn't get it. It's not possible because if you effort any field anywhere. I'm not saying that this language. Yeah, any field you want to learn any job, yeah, if you work any as a employee, so you have to first environment, you have to create the environment, what
Yes,
kind of
yes,
the environment. So same thing is the apply, we should apply in this language. I know that this is very common thing, and this is a very general person you can find hardly, very hardly you can find the person who can speak in front of you. But one of thing you don't care about the who lives surrounded you. You try to say like that ki I'm one here, nobody is here. I want to say, I want to speak, I want to do anything. I don't think about things. You consider yourself like that ki you are a phone. No matter if people say anything. I know that everybody, every time people is ready to pull someone legs. So don't care about that. You just keep speaking, and definitely it will take time. Time is the common thing in anything is not gain one day, 2 day, yeah, 1 month. It will take long time. I also feel considered this language is the just like you can say like that lifetime learning this process, lifetime process is going on in if you want to learn this language, not only 1 day or 2 days this that you can. I know, and but keep speaking, keep learning. Definitely, one day it will come in your life. You feel like that. Yeah, I'm top of the world. I'm speaking well. You feel like that. Yeah, I'm just native speaker. I'm a fast speaker. I'm a natural speak, you can speak natural thing and natural, definitely it will take time. Starting instantly is the everybody face in the hot water, they feel like that, okay, I'm in the hot water, but gradually and slowly you can,
Yes.
everybody can be perfect.
Yes, 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 you're right. Environment is very important. Yeah, and if in my locality, in my country, there is no good English environment. That's why for learning this language, I had to struggle a lot. I belong to village area. I have a lot of friends, but they don't want to learn this language, and no one who is speaking English at my village. That's why I had to struggle a lot. But using this type of application, I connect with another person for making this kind of video. I know very well speaking is the most important part, and and if there is a good English environment, yeah, you can learn this language very easily. Because I one day I was watching one of the video on the YouTube channel. It was maybe Goa. There is a sea beach. Yeah, in this at this place, they every single day there are so many people come over there for visiting purpose and traveling purpose. They are foreigner, and over there the few of the person, they are selling something, they are selling something, and every single day they talk to with foreigner. Yeah, but they don't know any grammatical rules, they don't know anything, but after listening and speaking, they also they speak English very well. I noticed that. That's why environment is very important.
Actually, grammar is the, actually we have been learning grammar since child, and we are always try to follow on the grammar. I actually earlier I also feel like that grammar is the crucial role, very essential, very important. But speaking, if you talk about the speaking, I have seen one sentence you can frame different type of the sentence, a different type of way. Just like one sentence, I'm saying any one sentence. There are so many is that so many so many root is there, you can frame the sentence so many root. So grammar, I know that grammar is very important in the soul of the any language, but speaking, I have seen a lot of videos and a lot of native speaker. I connected every time at the native speaker. I live here. There are so many native speakers. They live out or not, so they don't care about the grammar and they use a lot of phrasal verb. Phrasal verb.
Yes.
This time is the phrasal was the trending. People are, they always try to speak the help of the phrasal verb idiom. So that is the great thing. So I think don't think about more about the grammar. Grammar is if you have a knowledge grammar, so it is the plus point. But as well, you try to learn new thing. New thing is the and phrasal verb and idiom and some, that is the great, and you can feel like that when you learn this thing, so you also feel like that more motivate and you feel like that more confidence as a, so don't think about the grammar, just you keep, you feel more energetic, just keep as a keen as a mustard you have to speak.
Yes, yes. And sir, you are also you are telling the in basic English grammar is very important. And sir, but which part of English grammar is most important only for speaking English? I mean, tense, modal, or what? Which kind of part?
Actually, present indefinite tense, if you talk about the present indefinite tense, 90%, 99 9 70 sorry 90% you speaks only present indefinite.
Yes.
10% you can add all things, causative, causative and modal, condition, passive, anything, only 10%. But
Yes.
90% people they speak in present indefinite and past indefinite. Both are the very vital and very important role for speaking. Second form and first form, both are the very important.
Yes.
And other things, modals and phrasal verb, that is the extra energy thing. Extra you have, if you talk to 1 hour 2 hour 3 hours someone, so you have to take advantage for the whole thing. You can't deny even a single thing means the modals, positive, yeah, conditional, yeah, anything. So I
Yes.
think
Yes.
all are very important. So that is the great and very important rule for speaking. And as well, you try to brush up your language. You are try to every day we learn something new. We always try to learn everyday new things. Don't care about that. Okay, because a lot of people say like that. I am weak at English. My English is not well. So that is a wrong sentence. My English is not weak. I am a weak at English. That is the great. So no problem. So starting journey of the lot of people, I have seen lot of native speaker, good speaker. I'm not saying native. So sorry,
Yes.
good speaker. The mistake is the part and parcel for learning this language.
Yes. And sir, what do you think? It is needed passive voice. It is needed only for speaking English.
Passive you can use of the lot for mostly people they use for the meal. Just like I'm going somewhere, example, and I have seen there some teachers that is the coaching center, but I don't know who teach you. So I can say like that. Here is taught English, yeah, Hindi, any language is taught here.
Hmm.
But I don't want to mention name of that person who teach, who is that person who live there. I don't want to mention anything. That time I can use of the help of the passive. Just just like I have, just like I am saying, if I'm working in a company, example, and I don't do proper way. I always delay. I always do some delay every day. So some people say like that, you are doing every day delay, so you will be fired. He didn't say about the who will fire or see anyone. He didn't say anything. So that is the passive, and passive use lot of examples for the mail time. If you follow up the mail, if you always every day mail do on the social media and mail, so I think that is the passive is the very important and good things for that you can use of that. You work in the hospital. By the way, your hospital is going on very high levels and very good thing. So you did something new, and people say, okay, what did you do there? So you don't want to pretend, you don't want to say anything about yourself, you want to hide yourself. So that time you can use like yourself. Yeah, you can use of the passive.
Yes, yes, you're right. And sir, I'd like to ask one question to you. You are living over there around 4 years, and you have been working over there 4 years. And I made this kind of video. One of the person who living over there, and he told me, bro, after learning this language, I have I have got so many advantage from my company. And sir, you are also learning this language, you are also speaking English very well, and you have been working over there around 4 years. And after speaking English, after learning English, have you got any good advantage from your company?
Okay, you are talking about the hair, so I'm talking about the India. First, I'm talking about India. If you speak well in India, any company, anywhere you go, people are judging you as a educated person, as a a more a knowledgeable person. So anywhere you can get job easily. So same thing is here. If you have a knowledge about this language, so you have a lot of opportunity. You can get easily any job anywhere, and you can also feel very more confidence. Man, if you have a confidence level is the up, so you can do anything.
Yes, yes.
This language not only for the knowledge, but you also boost your confidence level. So this language is the not acceptable here anywhere. You can go all of the world, India, yeah, anywhere, yeah, any village. If you visit any village, you speak this language. So people judge you as an educated person, as a more intelligent person.
Yes,
So
yes.
this is the this language. I know
Yes.
that there are so many language are available in the world. Unlimited language is very difficult to count. But one of the best language, if you talk in my purpose of view, I think this is the one language.
Yes. And sir, how much time do you practice every single day nowadays?
Actually, to be honest, I don't do a lot of practice. Sometime I do. Almost 20 minutes, 30 minutes is not regular basis. In a weeks, you can, if you count the so I think 2 and 3 days I do, but not consistency.
Yes,
That
yes.
is the main.
Yes, yes. All right, sir. It was a nice conversation with you. You are also speaking English very well, and I have learned so many things by connecting with you. All right, sir. Nice to
Thank
meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.